Okay, so this is a tutorial for the one and only Fingerpass, and this one is actually very, very useful, right? Because you can basically change your, I'll try to show it from every angle. You can basically what you can do is that you can use this in a lot of tricks, so it's very useful to learn it. So you're gonna put your pen, I guess, right here, like this, I guess, and then you're gonna bend over your fingers right here, the pinky and the ring finger, and you're gonna sort of like move your index towards you in a way. So it basically, the pen moves right here, right? So you bend over your fingers like this, then you do this motion, and then you bend up your fingers, right? And I guess you can keep your pinky there. Depends how you wanna do it, I guess, what's more comfortable for you. And then you bend over your index finger. I guess it's better if you keep your pinky there. And then you're gonna do the same motion, so you're gonna push middle finger towards you, and then you're gonna push your pinky finger the different direction, right? Like this. And then you're gonna extend your middle finger, and then you're gonna push it back, right? And then you're gonna extend your pinky finger, and then you're gonna push it back, and then you're gonna like sort of like erase your pinky and your and pinky and your ring finger, and then you're gonna sort of like extend your index finger like this, and then you're gonna bring it towards you. Then you're extending your all of your other fingers, and bang, you did it. It's basically sort of like, I guess, getting faster, sort of, and a little bit understanding and being like learning like the flexibility of this trick. If you don't have the flexibility for this trick, it's fine, you're gonna have it. It's perfectly normal to not have any flexibility at all when learning this trick. So yeah, good luck, guys.